Hey guys, so in this lesson we're going to be learning Last Kiss, the Pearl Jam version. Super easy, great for beginners, just got 4 chords, a G, an E minor, a C and a D. So yeah, let's get diving straight into them chords. Okay guys, so we're going to start off by learning the chords. We've got a G first, that's second string down from the top, fret 2, top string, fret 3, bottom string, fret 3. We strum all the strings. Next chord is an E minor, second string down from the top, fret 2, string underneath, fret 2, strum all the strings. We then have a C, that's second string up from the bottom, number 1, third one down from the top, fret 2, string above, fret 3, strum all the strings except the low E string, so miss that top one out. That's a C chord. Then we have a D, third one up from the bottom, number 2, bottom string 2, middle string, fret 3, and we strum the bottom 4 strings. So just quickly recap on them. We've got a G, an E minor, a C, and a D chord. So you need to really practice them first. Just make sure that you can swap and change between each chord relatively quickly before moving on to the next bit. But if you got that, let's move on to the strumming pattern and the order. Okay guys, so if you got the chords, we're going to move on to the order and the strumming pattern. Just again, quickly recap, there's a G, an E minor, a C and a D. Now the order of the chords is that, so G, E minor, C and D the entire way through the song, and it literally just repeats that over and over and over again. The strumming pattern we want is, let's grab that G chord first, and it's down, down, up, down, up. Let's try that again. Down, down, up, down, up. Same on the E minor. Down, down, up, down, up. Same on the C. Down, down, up, down, up. Same on the D. Down, down, up, down, up. And it just repeats that the whole way through. Let's try a whole loop of the chords. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. And it just does that the entire way through the song. Let's try again one more time, bit quicker, bit like the speed of the song. Here we go. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Yeah, and it literally just repeats them 4 chords in that order throughout the entire song. Okay, cool. Yep, so that is it guys today. Hope that's helped. Okay guys, so I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson on Last Kiss by Pearl Jam. Again, been a nice, super fun one for me to teach, just the 4 chords. Hope you found it helpful. If you have, as always, please do smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.